In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the font size in your Google Calendar bigger with a simple step-by-step guide that's tailored for 2025. If you've ever found yourself squinting at the screen trying to make out your schedule or just prefer a larger font size for easier readability, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive into the first step using a quick and straightforward approach, browser zoom. Start by opening Google Calendar on your preferred web browser. This method works seamlessly across various browsers like Chrome, Edge, Safari, and Firefox, so you can use whichever you are most comfortable with. Simply head over to calendar.google.com and ensure your calendar is loaded and visible. Now to adjust the font size, we'll be zooming in. If you're using a Windows or Linux operating system, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard, then hit the plus key to zoom in. If you need to zoom out for any reason, you can do so by pressing Ctrl and Shift. For those using a Mac, the process is just as easy. Hold down the Command key, then press the plus key to increase the zoom level and the bar key to decrease it. Alternatively, if keyboard shortcuts aren't your thing, there's another way. Look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You'll find a menu represented by 3 vertical dots, commonly referred to as the More Options dots. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, you'll see a zoom percentage. Click on the plus next to it to enhance the view. Keep adjusting this setting until the font size and all other visual elements in your calendar appear comfortable to read. It's important to note that when you adjust the zoom, it impacts the entire page. This means not just the text, but everything from the boxes that contain your events to the menus and other visual elements on the page will also appear enlarged. It's a comprehensive solution for enhancing visibility across your calendar. Remember, this approach modifies the display size for the entire content of the calendar page within the browser. This can be particularly useful not just for personal preference, but if you're conducting a presentation, sharing your screen, or simply working in a different lighting condition where a larger view might be needed. Give it a try and find the zoom level that suits you best. With these simple steps, you now have the know-how to adjust your Google Calendar font size and make your scheduling experience that much more pleasant. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful and easy to follow.